honey, we're back with Luke, so we've got him around this other big dog, so he does have some little aggressive tendencies. I mean, I don't know if, maybe they mentioned that at the daycare, but he kind of goes after little truffles and stuff. Luke! Luke! Good boy! Luke! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! All right, let's take him down by the pond. Walk through. Oh, he's having the time of his life, girl. Don't worry about him. Go. Oh, look at him go, right to the water. All right, so remember, I only want to use the pager when his back is turned. Move! Good boy! Good boy! And you see how it caused him to turn around, and I was holding it down. I don't think he's going to end up being the real sensitive type. All right, let's go. Take him on his daily walk. So he's got a good angle. He's got his back to me. Okay, Luke! Good. 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 Next time, Victoria, I want you to get a good zoom in, and then I can set it in slow mo. You can see he's got a... Luke! Good. Well, that wasn't a good example because he was shaking everything. All through. All right, so just for everybody at home, I'm getting ready to start to add my Nick again. Because what we have to remember, this is a dog with a history of just running completely away and not real sensitive. So you want to, this really would be different than truffles or something like that, because you are going to have to put a little bit more pressure on one like this, because they are older and they've had so much success. Look at Talbot, just wanders off. Over into the bushes. Luke! Good boy! Luke! Good boy! So I'm going to tell you what I did right there. I got him with 3 nicks. I wish I had the sound box. Oh, I've got to charge that sound box, Victoria. I hit him with 3 nicks, but the way I did it was, I was maybe at 30, but then I went 40, 50. Luke! Good, good. That was just the pager. 40, 50, and you saw it turned him right over there. All right, come on, we got to go find Talbot. Yeah, the highest trained dog on the property. Right there. I'll try to get some of the bushes over there. Did you hear something? It's like the Blair Witch Project. Victoria's like, she doesn't know what that movie is. Talbot! Luke! 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 Good, 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 good. So whatever he was smelling right there, I had it too low. I just went tap, tap, tap. But remember, guys, we're winning the battle of attrition. Oh my God, what a cover that. Talbot! Did he run back to the kennel?
I don't think so.
Luke! Talbot! All right, guys, we got to go find Talbot.